How to delete account bio history on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily delete your account bio history on Instagram. But before we get started, make sure to head down below to hit the like button on the video. Also press the subscribe button to get more of these informative videos. Let's begin. So the first thing that you want to do is open up your Instagram and make sure that you are logged in account. Once you open up your Instagram, just tap on your profile icon right here, and then from here you just want to head over to the hamburger menu to open up your settings. Now all you have to do is tap on your activity, and here you will find different sections like interaction, removed or recently archived contents, and content that you shared, and many more. You just have to go ahead and find the how you use Instagram section, and under here you'll find account history. Once you get to the account history section, all you have to do is here you can find all of the updates that you have made on your account, and then you just have to tap, if you want to filter it out, you can just tap on update type, and you can sort it by section: when the account was created, your bio, your emails, messaging, name, password, phone, and many more. So if you just want to see your bio history, just tap on it and tap on apply. So only your bio history will be shown right here throughout your Instagram career, how many times you've changed your bio. And if you're worried about your bio being seen by other people, then you don't have to worry about that. All of this data is personal and no one else on Instagram will be able to see it. But there is no active way to delete everything. You just have to tap on clear all and it will clear the update type, but you don't see an option to delete your history. But you don't have to worry about it being seen by anyone else as well. So I hope you found this helpful. I will see you guys on the next one.